Hello everybody. Today I'm explaining two news the news of non littering in nature. The first news is the plastics industry created the wasted land prohibit in Congress. The plastics sector has possibly itself against the wasted land and frames not showing so mercenaries that seriously affect these industries and as considering that is missing the opportunity to listen to the voice of a sector so late. The second news is the grain birds, the sleeps, the what's like a private in Congress as bittersweet. Green birds as the sleep, the Westland a private these Tuesdays is the Congress of disputes as bittersweet. That's it's all the two news of not littering in nature. Thanks so much for your pay attention. I'll see you tomorrow.